Why do I keep doing it? Yo, fucking stinks.
Oh, there's all my trash I was looking for.
I can smell it.
I think I'm getting better at wheelies than the last time we rode together.
I got worse.
Oh, good thing I didn't do a wheelie. I was thinking about doing a wheelie. Because that was the wheelie straightaway with a slight uphill.
I wasn't sure if that cop was going to turn around. Doesn't look like he is. Why would he? I don't know, because you can't see my license plate. He was going the other way. Yeah. But I remember... Oh, here comes another one, maybe. Yeah, looks like one.
Copper number 2. Bad pumpkin. Drive by pumpkin smashing.
Oh, God.
A little fort. Have you seen this little fort before? Little rape hut?
I found the toilet. Here's the bathroom sink.
It's a street light. Drink it. Drink the water. I'll give you $1.
20 bums.
20 bums giving hand jobs right here. Hooligan City, we don't give a fuck. But this is kind of cool, we're discovering some new trails. I didn't see any no trespassing, so we'll play ignorance. Mushroom! I didn't even see that, he's a mushroom fanatic. Oh damn it, it's November and it's 63 degrees out. I dressed for 40 degree weather, it is so freaking hot. Or I'm so freaking hot, I got like a fucking pullover fleece turtleneck zipped up. Well, I unzipped it what I could, but it's so freaking hot. I even got more gear that I didn't put on. I'm so glad I didn't. Fuck. Almost fell over into that tree. No clue where we're at. No freaking clue where we're at.
We are lost.
Oh God. Someone is almost ate a diggy digger. Oh yeah, he says he's having a hard time feeling his brake with his motocross boots on. So if he goes to use the rear brake, he just locks it up. Look how quick my shit turns, huh? My shit turns quick, quick, quick.